In this video, we'll talk about payment links, how they work, and how you can use them to easily collect payments from your customers. You can create and send payment links only after you are successfully onboarded as a PhonePe payment gateway merchant. Payment links are a safe and secure way to accept payments from your customers without needing a website or app. All you need to do is create a payment link on your PhonePe business dashboard and share it with your customer. First, log into your PhonePe business dashboard and click on Payment Links in the side panel. Next, click on New Pay Link. Enter the amount that you need to collect, the customer's name, the phone number on which the customer will receive the payment link. You can also enter customer's email ID if you would like to send the link via email. Then, click Generate Link. Once created, the payment link is automatically shared with your customer via SMS. You can also copy the link and send it via WhatsApp, email, or any other social media. Your customer receives a simple link. By clicking it, they are taken to PhonePe's secure checkout page, where they can make the payment. Once successful, the amount is deposited into your linked bank account the following day. This will show up in the Transaction History tab of your dashboard. Things to note. 1. Each payment link can only be used once. If the customer tries to use the same link again, the payment will fail. If you wish to receive another payment from the same customer, you will need to create a new payment link. 2. The amount on a payment link cannot be edited by you or your customer. If you wish to change the amount of the payment, you will need to create a new payment link. You can easily keep track of the statuses of all your payment links in the Payment Links tab on your business dashboard. If you face any problems, you can always reach out to us through the Help section on your dashboard. To do so, go to Help, select Managing My Account, then Payment Links, then Issues with Payment Links, and then click the FAQ or Contact Us.